Hi guys, good morning. Ako nga pala si Francis Lopez and I will teach you how to write a code. Okay, simulan na natin. Ang title pala ng ating code ay write a program to determine if a given year is a leap year. Ang unang lalagay natin ay ang import scanner. This import scanner class which allows to take input from the user. Next ay ang class and main method. We define a public class named leap year checker. And next, the taking input from user. We create a scanner object to read input from the user. Next natin ay sa leap year logic. Ito ang mga conditions breakdown ng leap year logic. Year %4 equal to 0 checks if the year is divisible by 4. Year %100 not equal to 0 includes years divisible by 100. Example, 1900 is not a leap year. Year %400 equal to 0. Exception to the above, if a year is divisible by 400, it is a leap year. Example, 2000 is a leap year. So, a year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100. Next naman tayo sa may closing the scanner. Closes the scanner to free up system resources. And the example output if you enter 2020, it will print 2020 is a leap year. Okay, that's it. I hope natutunan ka rin. Thank you.